sign that. How did you make that decision?
Sure. Well, I mean, we looked at it, as you know, it passed overwhelmingly, 80 or 90% in the legislature. So I think the legislature felt very strongly we need to have some sort of backup in case the drugs for the lethal injection weren't available. The Supreme Court has looked at electrocution and said it meets its definition of not being cruel and inhuman punishment. So we made the decision to sign it.
What do you personally think about it? I mean, you commented a couple weeks ago that executions are a hard decision.
They are, and so I think I said then that that's why you wait for every case to come to you, and you make that decision based on a lot of conversations, work, and research into what happened, and trying to get the very best help you can and insight into the decision that ends up on your desk. And until that situation comes with whoever that individual might be, everything's just speculation.
And you feel personally the electric chair isn't cruel and unusual?
I mean, that's what the Supreme Court has said.
Do you see it being challenged in court?
I think some people have said, there's a difference between folks who have been sentenced since that's been passed and that going backward. And I'm certain somebody will look into that. The Attorney General, I think, did rule on this. That he felt comfortable with what the legislation said.
It seems almost certain there's going to be a lot of litigation on this matter. Are you worried that by passing this law, and if it goes to that point, you might just delay executions even further?
But of course, there's some speculation involved, right? That first of all, that you wouldn't have the drug, and then that the execution would get scheduled, number one, and then number two, that the drug wouldn't be available. So until then, there's just a lot of speculation about what could or could not happen.
Is the drug unavailable at this point, to your knowledge?
As I understand it, the Department of Corrections has the drug available, as I understand it.
So why does Tennessee feel the need to be the first to go take these steps and make electric chairs the backup?
You'd have to ask the legislature of that, but like I said, it passed overwhelmingly bipartisan. About 85% of the folks voted for it.